y'all, my name is Rebecca. Welcome to my channel. I found a hidden jewel at the Dollar Tree. It is the 18-inch MDF Christmas trees. They come in white and green. I purchased 2 white, and I'm going to take my favorite paint, the Folk Art matte paint in ink, and I'm going to paint one of these Christmas trees with that paint because that is going to match my Christmas color story. What I love about these Christmas trees is the fact that you can customize them to match your decor. If you are doing rustic, or if you are doing something a little bit more traditional, you can mix and match. You can paint them. You could add some Mod Podge and glitter to them. You could add rhinestones. You could put on pearls, and you could add bows, ribbons, some berry garland. I'm only going to show you my idea and what I did with these Christmas trees, but you can take my idea and turn it into something absolutely fabulous on a budget that's going to blend in and match your decor perfectly. I'm leaving one of the Christmas trees white, and then I'm going to paint the other Christmas tree black, and I'm going to use some half round wood beads and lay those out on a piece of tape and use some antique gold rub and buff and a small brush, and I'm going to paint these wood half round beads and hot glue them onto my Christmas trees. Just in a random fashion. Nothing has to be perfect. Crafting is not about perfection. It is about making something that brings you joy. And these little Christmas trees have brought me a lot of joy. I love it when Dollar Tree brings something into the store that you can customize, make your own, and let it blend in perfectly with your aesthetic, your theme, your color story, and you can do it on a budget. I have been Christmas shopping, and I have been out in the stores. There are still very good deals at the Dollar Tree, and they are still beating the other stores' prices in a lot of areas. I understand that they have raised their prices. So have the other stores. I also understand that since they've become a multi-price store, that it is a little bit more challenging to shop at the Dollar Tree. But you're still going to find items in the Dollar Tree that are going to meet and match your design style and your budget. I have always been, and I always will be, a bargain shopper, and I know where I want to put my money that's going to extend the most value. I know a lot of creators have also left the Dollar Tree DIY space. However, that is still my favorite place to find crafting items and these little hidden treasures that you can take home and you can make them fit your aesthetic and do it without breaking the bank. I love to decorate my home for the seasons, and I love creating a beautiful, cozy, inviting space, and Dollar Tree still allows me to do that and stay within my means. While you're here, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you know when I've uploaded my next video. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you ever so much for watching Crafts, Laughs, and Chaos, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.